What is going on, guys? Welcome to Gregos TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Fortnite on your mobile device. So let's get into it. First thing you want to do is open up a browser window. I'm going to use Chrome, so let's open up Chrome. And then we're going to search for Epic Android. Epic Android. And the first thing that should pop up should be Fortnite Mobile. You could also probably just search that. But this site right here, I'll link it down below so you can find it much easier. Tap on that, and it's gonna show a pop-up in just a moment asking if you wanna download this file. So hit download. Let it finish its thing. Once it's done downloading, you're gonna hit open, and then you're gonna hit install. So let it install. It's done being installed. You might get a pop-up that said like allow access to this. You would hit settings and then hit allow. It's very easy, don't be concerned with it, but once you hit allow, then you hit install. Now we're gonna hit open because the Epic Game Store is downloaded. It's gonna open that up from here. It's gonna load this up. I'm just gonna hit allow, and you'll see Fortnite smack dab in the middle, so just tap Fortnite and then hit install. And this should be a fairly quick update for this one, but it's a big download after this, so just be concerned. For your security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. You can change this in settings. You might have seen this a step ago, but now you're gonna also see it here at the Fortnite. So hit settings, and then allow from this source, turn that on, and then hit install. And we're gonna keep going here. We're going good, we're going good. It's installed. I'm gonna hit open now. This is gonna hit Fortnite. I'm gonna hit allow on that. I'm gonna turn it sideways, and we are updating. So here, this is very, very important. From here, you can't leave this screen. You can't turn your screen off. You have to leave it just like this. And if you're low on battery and you have slow internet, you're probably gonna want to plug this into a charger. Just leave it alone. Do not leave the screen. Don't turn the screen off. Don't just leave it. Leave it the way it is. It'll stay on the whole time. And this is a big update. It's 11 gigs. So let it do its thing. And then once it's done downloading or updating, I should say, which it's really downloading, we'll go to the next step. All right, after it finishes that, it's gonna bring you to this screen where it's gonna ask you if you have a Fortnite account or not. I do, but if you don't, hit no, create a new account. So I'm gonna hit yes, and it's gonna bring me to the Epic Games website, and it's gonna ask me to sign in with my Epic Games account. Now, if you've played this game on PlayStation or Xbox or Nintendo Switch, or you signed in with your Google account or Facebook or Apple, you can do that right here. I play on PlayStation, so I'm gonna sign in with my PlayStation account. So you just tap that at the bottom, and it'll bring you to the Sony site. And this is where you're gonna sign in with your Sony or Xbox or Nintendo login. After you get logged in, it brings you to this screen where you're gonna choose which texture resolutions you wanna do. If you have a high performing phone, choose high. If you don't, choose low. But if you do choose high, it's gonna add, you can see another almost 5 gigs of download. So just hit confirm, and then it's gonna go from there. And I believe the textures will download in the background. I don't think we're gonna have to wait another, yeah, we're not gonna, so I'll just press and hold this. I'll skip all this. If you want to customize further, tap your name in the top right. Go down to settings. Go down to settings again. And this is where you can control the frame rate. So if you do, I think it's above, yeah, so if we do, okay, we're just gonna hit okay to that. So we can do 90 frames. You can do the auto quality if you want, or you can push this up to the best that it has, Epic. And I still think it'll play. Oh, so Epic only does 60 frames, at least on Android at the time of making this video. You can choose your 3D resolution all the way up, pre-downloaded cosmetic textures. So you can really come in here, you can show the frames per second, hit apply, and then go back to the home screen. You just hit the X in the top right. And there you go, you can just go play from here. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.